This is not what I expected at all, but you can watch how it goes. Let's make soap. Hi soapy friends, this is a triple batch of cold processed soap I made to test fragrance oils. First I pour the lye water into the melted oils, and I stick blend until it reaches a very light trace. I'm using sweetgrass fragrance oil. It's such a beautiful, fresh green scent. I want a pastel look, so I add water dispersible titanium dioxide to the whole batch. Before I even get that stirred in, it's starting to thicken up. This is Gold Shimmer Mica. I'm doing my best to mix it in. Meanwhile, the remaining soap has gotten even thicker. The other color I'm using is Pear Green Mica. And white Satin Mica is added for contrast. Let's plop this soap in the mold. I have to bang down the mold several times to make sure that there's no air bubbles. I wasn't sure about sticking to my design at this point, but I went ahead and tried a hanger swirl. The top was pretty grainy and a little difficult to work with, but I eventually got it into a design that I liked. More Gold Shimmer Mica is added on top with the pipette. I was going for an airbrushed look, but I need more practice, and I need a better behaving fragrance oil too. One last look before I put this one to bed. I'll put the soap in a box and under a blanket overnight. And here's the cut soap. While it turned out okay, I'd have to test again with full water to see if it's more workable, but this is exactly why I test before I add a fragrance oil to the store. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching!